As the Indian government is busy battling coronavirus outbreak, a number of citizens and organizations are also not behind in extending their support to the needy people who are worst affected by this pandemic. Be it through in distributing essential items or providing ambulance services, they have been contributing their bit without making any discrimination on the basis of caste and community. Let's take a look at a similar example in Ludhiana city of Punjab.
COVID-19 has posed several challenges to the society. Deficit in number of dedicated COVID-19 ambulances is one among them. Many people across the country who have succumbed to deadly virus had to face a lot of problems due to their unavailability. In such a situation, a voluntary organization in Ludhiana city of Punjab has come to the rescue of COVID-19 patients, no matter which caste or community they belong to. Till date, Samvedna Trust has distributed around 100,000 masks, 50,000 sanitizers, 40,000 pair of gloves, 15,000 surgical caps and 4,000 protective suits across the city. Along with this, it is also helping coronavirus patients in reaching hospitals and performing the last rites of deceased patients.
हमने अपना प्रयास किया। हमने अब तक जो हमारे जिम्मे ईश्वरीय कार्य लगा, उस कार्य में हमने लगभग 300 जो कोविड पेशेंट हैं पॉजिटिव, उनको अस्पताल पहुंचाया और 269 जो डेड बॉडीज़ हैं उनके लास्ट राइट्स के लिए हमने क्रिमिनेशन करवाया।
The team has a dedicated ambulance and practices high hygiene standards while dealing with the bodies. They wear personal protective equipments and sanitize their vehicles and equipment every time. Though the task is risky, but the volunteers of Samvedna Trust remain undeterred in their efforts to serve the society and are therefore garnering praise from residents across the city.
ये बेचारे फिर भी ये भाग दौड़ करके हमारी बॉडी को यहाँ लेके आए हैं और इन्होंने हमें से पैसा भी कोई नहीं लिया। हम तो ये चाहते हैं कि इनको भी भगवान और शक्ति दे के एक आध गाड़ी और चला के ये जैसे घूमते हैं। हमने फ़ोन किया तो ये तुरंत आ गए।
Rising above religious biases and working with only motive to serve the humanity, this is what this voluntary organization has been doing. Their work is inspiration for everyone to come forward and help the country at this time of need.